Hey friends, it's Dr. John DeGarmo, the Foster Care Institute. Tip of the week. This week we're looking at the number one support service that every foster parent needs to have. We all know how difficult and challenging foster parenting is now more than ever. As a foster parent myself of 60 plus kids, it's the hardest thing I've ever done. We here at the Foster Care Institute surveyed over 5,000 foster parents, and we asked them, what's the hardest part about your job? What are you struggling with? And by far the response was this: lack of support services during difficult times. So here's the number one thing you need to do as a foster parent, the number one support service for you: a veteran or experienced foster parent to serve as a mentor, if you will. Go ahead and reach out to the foster parents in your area and ask one who's been fostering longer than you have, or an experienced or veteran foster parent, if they would serve as a mentor to you when you're feeling challenged, when you're struggling. Ask them how they may have handled a similar situation. When you have those feelings of grief and loss, call them up and express your feelings. Let them listen, let them counsel you if they can. When you're mad with the system or just frustrated, call them up and express how you're feeling. Perhaps they've been through a similar situation. Those crazy times when we just need to call somebody up and laugh about it, hey, they've probably experienced something similar. No one really understands a foster parent unless it's another foster parent. One of the great things I have been able to do as I travel the nation and globe working with foster care agencies is listen to other foster parents and learn from them. So the best support service, the best resource, if you will, as a foster parent is another foster parent to serve again as a mentor or a guide for you, to help you during those difficult times. Somebody who understands exactly what you're going through and is not going to judge you for it. For the Foster Care Institute, I'm Dr. John DeGarmo.